Hi everyone, my name is Ruby. Just wanted to show you guys a few more Halloween costumes we have upcoming this season. Before we get started, make sure you like and subscribe. You can also find all of our costumes at www.amiclubwear.com.
Here we have a sexy red stretchy patent dress that is versatile and comfortable. We created a sexy devil with this dress. We paired it with a sexy gold lightweight pitchfork and devil horns with black fur. The accessories for this outfit are sold separately and can be found on our website. You can create different costumes with this dress, such as a sexy Jessica Rabbit or a Little Red Riding Hood. Here we have a sexy faux leather textured jumpsuit. We created a dominatrix type of look with this jumpsuit. We paired it with a whip and a black spiked choker. This jumpsuit can show a lot of skin. There's a zipper in the middle. You can zip it up or down to show less or more, whatever you feel more comfortable with. This is a black and red deadly ninja costume, complete with a red belt, ribbons, and mask. The swords are sold separately. This costume is so comfortable that you can impress your friends by doing a karate kick. Thank you for watching. All of the links to the items in this video will be in the description below. Keep an eye out for more inspiring Halloween looks from AMI Clubwear. See you soon!